Hi everyone, this is Epolica Creation. Today I'm going to make a simple circle top, and what I have here is a 1.5. It's not up to 1.5 though. It's a 1 yard 15 inches. Okay, I want to show you how I'm going to fold this fabric. I'll first of all fold it into two plates. Fold it like this. Then I'll fold it again like this. So from here I'll take my full length here. This is my full length, and then here I'll mark my neck width, neck depth. I'll connect it from here. This point I'll take my shoulder measurement to this point, to my shoulder measurements. Then from that my shoulder measurement I will extend my sleeve to here. So from this point, the sleeve, I'll connect it to this point, the full length. I'll connect it like that, then I'll cut it. So then the neckline, I'll cut the neckline. So this is a circle top. You see, I'll go to the machine and join it from here to this point because I want to have a little bit of slit. So I'm from here to this point because I want to have a little bit of slit. I'll hem all this round and use bias to turn the neck. Okay, the measurements we'll need are bust measurement, shoulder measurement, sleeve length, the blouse length. Okay, so I'm going to fold my fabric. This is the right part of the fabric. I'm going to fold it into two. I'll fold it into two like this, into two. Then I'll fold it here. So I'm going to mark it now. I'm marking on the right side. So I'm going to mark neck depth of 4.5. It depends on what you want. I'm going to mark neck width of 4.5 also. So I will connect it. Then I'm going to measure my shoulder from this point. Okay, my shoulder is 16 divided by 2 because it's folded into 2 is 8. So I'll mark 8 here. Okay, from that 8 line, from here I'll extend my sleeve length. So I'll take sleeve length of 12 inches plus 1 inch seam allowance because I'll hem it 13. So I'm going to mark the length of the top. I'll start from here. I'll mark the length of the top is 24 inches plus 1 inch seam allowance to hem it is 25. I'll mark 25 here. Okay, now from here, sleeve length, I'll connect it all the way to the length, to the full length here, length of the blouse. So I'm going to connect it now. Okay, I'm going to cut the neckline now. Okay, I'm going to cut the neckline. Okay, I'm going to cut it. I'll go and hem the blouse all round. After hemming it, then I'll do this. I'll use bias to, from the front side, I'll put this, but I'll pin this bias like this. I want to use bias to finish the neckline. I will open it like this and put it here. I'll pin it. I'll pin it again. I'll pin it round and go and sew it to this point. When I get to this point, I will hold it like this. I'll hold the two like this and sew it. After doing that, I will now fold it. After doing that, I will show you. Okay, you can see the neckline. This is the right side of the fabric. You remember I put the bias like this, and sew it round to this point where I started. So what I will do now, I will notch it. After doing that, I will turn it like this and top stitch on this line so that it will be easier for me to turn it inside all around. So I'll do that. After top stitching, then I'll put it inside. Then I'll sew it from inside now. Okay, I'll finish the neckline. I turned it with bias. So I've hemmed all this one. I've hemmed it. So the next thing I'll do is to shape the top. Okay, the next thing to do now is to shape this top. So this is my shoulder measurement, because my shoulder measurement is 16 divided by 2 is 8. This is my shoulder measurement. So from here, I'll take my armhole. My round armhole is 18 divided by 2 is 9. So this is 9. Then I'll go down by 1 inch, 10. I'll mark 10 here, 10 here. So this is where I'll put my bust measurements. So I'll mark it. My bust measurement is 46. 46 divided by 4 is 11 and a half. I'll mark it here. Plus 1 inch for ease. 1 inch for ease. I'll mark it here. So 12 and a half. 12 and a half. 10 inches. Okay, 12 and a half. So from here, I will now go to the machine and sew it all the way down. But I don't want to sew my own to the end. I want to have a little bit of slit, a little bit of slit here, like 3 to 3.5 inches of slit. So from here, I'll measure 3.5. Then I'll connect this one to there. This is the other side. This is my shoulder measurement, this chalk here. So from here I'll take 9, half of my round armhole is 9 because my round armhole is 18. Then I'll come down by 1 inch, which is 10 inches. That's where I'll take my bust measurement. So I want to do it so that it will be easier for me to sew. So my bust measurement is 46 divided by 4, 11.5 plus 1 inch for ease, 12.5. 12.5. So from here I'll mark it. If you want, you sew your own all the way to down, but I want my own to have like 3 to 3 inches, half inches slit. So from here I'll stop. I'll sew it all the way to this point. So see what, okay, this is what I'll go and do now. I'll go to the machine and join from this point to this point. I'll just sew it all the way from this point to this point. Then I'll do the same on this side, from this point to this point. So I'll just show you the pictures. Okay guys, this is the picture. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.